If you're losing your memory, can you get it back? And the answer is absolutely yes. You can improve your memory as you're getting older, particularly if you're very forgetful. This is a great tool that will help you get there. This is a brain training game that once you practice it, you're going to be so happy with the results. And when you first try it, you're going to think, this is impossible. But I'm going to teach you how I taught myself. And as a neuro athletics coach who understands all of this, I couldn't do it. I tried it and I literally couldn't do it. So I've been teaching myself how to do this exercise so that I could teach you. Now I've got it and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to use just one part of our brain right now. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you can do that, we're going to give our fingers a name, because giving our fingers a name is going to help us with the next part, which is the difficult part. So we've got a pointer, so we're going to call this point, middle finger, mid, ring fingers, ring, pinky is pink. So we've got point, mid, ring, and pink. And on this hand, we've got pink, ring, mid, and point. Okay? The goal is to do this hand going this way and this hand going this way. So the first part of this is we're going to talk to one hand. This is my left, your right. So we're going to say point, mid, ring, pink, pink, ring, mid, point. See if you can do one hand going one way and the other hand going the other way. Just take the time to see if you can do it. And what you'll probably find is what I found, is that when I go here, I'm okay. And when you get to the middle, you end up following along and getting back to both hands doing the same thing. Okay, so the next part of this to train is we're going to do point, pink, mid, ring, ring, mid, pink, point. Backwards, we're going to go, we're talking to one hand, we're going to go ring, mid, mid, ring, point, pink. Mid, ring, ring, mid, pink, point, pink, point, ring, mid, mid, ring, point, pink, mid, ring, ring, mid, pink, point. That's all you need to do each morning and practice that. Now, I would say the majority are going to find that challenging. There's a caveat though. If you play piano or you do ping pong or you do lots of cross brain exercises, you might be very good at this. But the majority of people who are not training their brain, including me, and I do train my brain, it felt impossible. But now I can do it, and I'm doing it each morning when I wake up. So before I have any other stimulus, particularly from my phone, I will do these finger exercises with just saying this over and over again, and it kind of tires your brain out. So you can only do a small amount, and then you go, okay, that's enough. Forget about it, and then you can do it throughout the day if you have the time, but do it when you wake up. It becomes a practice, and then after 1 week, we're going to come back and try it again. You're going to be so surprised, but what this exercise is going to do is it's going to show you in a real way that yes, you can train your brain to do something difficult, even no matter what age you are. So I'm 59. I've done this with people in their 30s. They find it just as difficult as me. I've done it with someone in their late 20s. Easy peasy. Oh yeah, I can do that. She plays the piano. So It doesn't really matter what your age. I think it's harder when you get older because we're not used to using all the different parts of our brain together. So give this a try this out, and I want you to practice for 1 week. And then when we come back, we're going to do it together quickly. So even film yourself doing this and see what you can do, and then watch yourself back. It's really fascinating. It's an experiment that we're going to do with ourselves to prove a point. We're proving it to ourselves that we can get better with practice.